High throughput sequencing. The need for low cost sequencing has turned into the development of high throughput sequencing technologies that parallelize the sequencing process, producing thousands or millions of sequences at the same time. High throughput sequencing technologies aim to lower the cost of DNA sequencing beyond what is possible with standard methods. Now let us study the different high throughput methods. First one, Links Therapeutics Massively Parallel Signature Sequencing or MPSS. MPSS was developed in the 1990s at the Links Therapeutics, a company founded in 1992 by Sidney Brenner and Sam Elter, which is the first of the next generation sequencing. By applying this method, almost every transcript in the sample will be revealed and provide the expression level with high accuracy. MPSS was a bead-based method that used a complex approach of adapter ligation followed by adapter decoding, reading the sequence in increments of 4 nucleotides. This method made it susceptible to sequence specific bias or loss of specific sequences. This method is typically used for measuring the cDNA expression level. Links Therapeutics merged with Solexa in 2004 and this company was later purchased by Illumina. Second one is Polanyi sequencing. It is an inexpensive multiplex method with high accuracy and is used to read millions of immobilized DNA sequences in parallel. This technique was developed by Dr. George Church in Harvard Medical College. Combination of an in vitro paired tag library with emulsion PCR, an automated microscope and ligation based sequencing chemistry has been used to sequence an E. coli genome. The accuracy of the sequencing was greater than 99.99% with a cost of 1/10 that of Sanger sequencing. The next one is Illumina or Solexa sequencing. This is a sequencing technology developed by Solexa based on dye terminators. In this, DNA molecules are first attached to primers on a slide and amplified. This is known as bridge amplification. Unlike pyrosequencing, the DNA can be extended only one nucleotide at a time. The images of the fluorescently labeled nucleotides are taken by a camera, then the dye along with the terminal 3' blocker is chemically removed from the DNA, allowing the next cycle. The next method is solid sequencing. The technology for sequencing used in ABI solid sequencing is oligonucleotide ligation and detection. In this, a pool of all possible oligonucleotides of fixed length is labeled according to the sequenced position. The sequencing provides better results compared to Illumina sequencing. Next method is single molecule sequencing with exonuclease. Single molecule sequencing was initially conceived as a laser based technique that allows the fast sequencing of DNA fragments of 40 kb or more at a rate of 100 to 1000 bases per second. This technique is based on the detection of individual fluorescent nucleotides in a flowing sample stream. The method is divided into the following steps: fluorescent labeling of the bases in a single fragment of DNA, attachment of this labeled DNA fragment onto a microsphere, movement of the supported DNA fragment into a flowing buffer stream, digestion of the labeled DNA with an exonuclease that sequentially cleaves the 3' end nucleotides, and detection and identification of individual fluorescently labeled bases as they cross a focused laser beam.